What's up? I'm Fat Papa. Today I will tell you how to make the hot dog bun for your kids and family. Let us begin. As you can see the ingredient, this time we will be easy to make it. It's not a lot of the ingredient compared to last time for the cupcake. If you did not see the cupcake, the link is above. You can check it out. The way I do the bread is different than the other people. We will have a base. It's the base white bread dough, and this way you put it in, the bread will be more soft and fluffy. What we do is we put 1/6 of the bread flour with 1/2 cup of the water and then to cook it. So first you will mix it a little bit with the water before you try to turn on the fire. The good thing is after you put this, it's soft and fluffy, but also it helps you when you make the bread. No matter like this hot dog bun or later on you make other kind of the bread, this one is from Taiwan and we find out it's good, so I want to introduce to you. The name of it is called Tangzhong. It's the Taiwan style to make the bread. They will add this base. So after you mix it for a while, you turn on the fire to cook it. It will get more thick, and then when it almost boiled, the whole thing will be done, and it will be like a really wet bread, and then you need to put it down to the room temperature before you can use it. So normally we will make this 2-3 hours before we start to make the bread. Now you see it's almost done, and then it's like getting thicker and then that is the right way. Don't worry about it, and then just make it up, and then you can turn off the fire, and then I will put it in a bowl to let it cool down to be a room temperature. Remember, if you don't cool it down later on, you put it in the bread and then it will not work. So first of all, we have this done, and then we put it aside to let it cool down to be room temperature, and then we can start for today's topic, the hot dog bun. It will be really fast, and then it's not a lot of the work. The most way is you need to wait. The wait time is longer than the time you need to work. So now first we need to prepare 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. The best way is you cut it into small pieces. That way later on when you mix it with the bread flour, it will be better. And then this time I try to use the bread machine. It's like, for the parent have the kid, you don't really have time to make all those work. If you put in the bread machine, you just like put all the ingredients in there, and then it will be done. After you put the base in there, and then now you can have the egg. You mix 1 egg, and then you will put it in there. This time we use the whole egg, and then after that we will need 1/2 cup of the milk. If you want, you can use the reduced fat, but we use this time is the whole fat milk. And after you put the milk, we will put the butter in. We always put the wet ingredient in there first, like the base is the wet one, the egg, and then the butter, those is like wet, and then after that we will put half teaspoon salt and then 3 tablespoons sugar. After we put those in, then now we will put 2.5 cup the bread flour. Don't use the all-purpose flour. If you can find the bread flour, they will taste much better, especially when you make the bread. After we put the bread flour in, the last one we will put the active dry yeast. And before you put the yeast in on the flour, you just try to make a little hole in the middle of the flour, and then you put this yeast in there. That way will be better. This is a little tips. And then don't be rushed to do it. If you ask me, if you don't have the bread machine, is that good? You still can do it, but you just take more time to mix it together. Then you need to wait it. The wait time for the bread to get baked is for flour those, it will be an hour. So you can mix it better the way you want. If you don't have the bread machine, it's fine. So now we will try to put the active dry yeast in. You can see the middle, I make the little hole, and then we just put all those yeast in there, and then we just put in the machine, and then we wait. So this way is better. If you like us, we have 2 kids, and then taking the video is already take time, and then if we still try to make it by hand, it will take much more work. And then we are not doing the advertisement, and just want to show you how we do it. First we choose what mold we try to use. This one is the dough, and then they set is 1 hour and 15 minutes. And if you want to do it by yourself, remember the wait time is 1 hour at least. So now it's done, and then we can open it and then start to make the hot dog bun. See, it's easy, and my daughter is like the whole video, she still want to here to help, and then she's in here want to see. So after you take out the dough, you remember to punch it hard. The reason is to make sure all the air inside it will be coming out. And then because this time we make the mini size is for the kid, and then make the full size is for the adult, so we separate the dough into different sizes. We will make 6 of the mini hot dog bun is for the kid, and then we will make 4 of the full size one. So the ingredient is good for either 8 of the full size or 12 of the mini size hot dog bun. So you can do all the combination you want. First you make that to be a long piece, and then you will be rolled around the sausage, and then it's like that. It's easy. The mini one will be good size for the kid to hold it and have it. It can be snack and then party or the breakfast, any way you want. And see, you just roll over around it. If you like, you can put the cheese in between. That is good too. But this time we make the original style is no cheese, is only the bread with the sausage is the hot dog one. After you make it, because like I said before, like our oven is not big enough, so we need to bake in 2 trays. So when we do the second tray, the first one you better to cover it up, otherwise those dough will be dry up, and then after you bake, the taste will not be good as if you bake ASAP after you're done. So the full size, you just like make it longer and then roll it more. So the way is the same, and you can preheat the oven or you can wait. The temperature will be 375 degrees. You put it in for 30 minutes. So after it's done, then you will have a very taste good hot dog bun for you, your kids, and your family. If you want to make it look more nice, you can put the egg, mix it, and then like put on top of the dough before you put in the bake. But since we only need a little bit, and then we will waste the rest of the egg, and then this time we don't do it. Otherwise, after you put the egg on top, and then you make the bread more shiny, look like the one you purchase on the bakery shop. And if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook, and click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. I hope you will like it. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.